Hey, what's up, everybody? I've been doing videos lately as much as I would like to. I decided to do a video dealing with all this weather. We've been having so many tornadoes. Who ever heard that California, the, the state that stays so sunny, could be snow? Snow everywhere in California. In Oklahoma, Texas, different areas experiencing strong winds. And also in Ohio, people dealing with this think this railroads deal with the can't think of the name of it. Derailing. Thank you. The derailing. Leaving all oil on different waters. The leaving oil everywhere, leaving people to live in hotels. Um Shoot, I'm gonna go deeper. Some of them not even funding is not even there for people who are living in these hotels in Ohio. And it leaving a lot of Ohio residents stressed, worried, mad, all in one time. And here in the South, where I live in Alabama, we've been having like um, 80 plus the temperature. And I get to wonder, we having so much um, beautiful, warm, unseasonably warm days. I just wonder about people in Ohio. I wonder about people in sure I just be wondering. And it's just a blessing, it's a blessing. It's so much of a blessing, sorry. It's so much of a blessing. And we shouldn't be taking it for granted. And also I can back that up. If you read your Bible, it speaks of tornadoes. It speaks of all this, in various areas. It's tornadoes and other things, Um tornadoes. You're seeing more and more tornadoes. Like I said earlier, you're seeing more unforeseen things. I see it every day. You hear so much of it on the news. People, you could just pay attention. It's in the atmosphere. There's so much killings going on. So much people going crazy. They driving like a bat out of heck out there. You crazy for real. And it just lets you know we are really in the end of the world. And there's a time to pray. Pray, honey, pray. And I want y'all to have a blessed week. And you know I will. And I'll talk to you dudes and do this later. Peace.